Top 10 companies in the global 3D printing medical and healthcare market, based on insights from 24 Chemical Research. The market was valued at $3.07 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow from $3.79 billion in 2025 to $10.82 billion by 2032, registering a strong CAGR of 16.7%. Rapid adoption of 3D printing is transforming healthcare through customized medical implants, surgical tools, and patient-specific solutions. The dental segment is expanding quickly with precision crowns, aligners, and prosthetics, while biosensors are emerging as a high-growth application supporting advanced diagnostics. Leading players such as 3D Systems, Stratasys, and SLM Solutions Group are driving innovation and commercialization. Follow 24 Chemical Research for deeper market insights.